Bone broth is often called liquid gold for seniors. It is rich in collagen, minerals, and amino acids that can slow down aging, improve joints, and strengthen the immune system. But here is the shocking truth. If you drink bone broth the wrong way, it can actually speed up disease, damage your body, and even increase your risk of early death. Today, I will reveal the 7 most dangerous mistakes seniors make when drinking bone broth and how to fix them. Stay with me because the last mistake is the deadliest one of all. Many seniors believe that drinking bone broth first thing in the morning is the healthiest choice. But this is not true. When you drink bone broth on an empty stomach, the high concentration of amino acids can cause stomach upset, dizziness, and blood sugar drops. For seniors with weak digestion, this can lead to nausea and even fainting. The correct way is to drink bone broth along with a light meal or snack. This way, the nutrients are absorbed slowly and do not shock your digestive system. Bone broth has protein, but not nearly enough to replace a proper meal. Some seniors think that sipping bone broth instead of eating chicken, fish, or beans is enough for muscle health. This mistake is deadly. A lack of protein leads to sarcopenia, which is age-related muscle loss. Sarcopenia weakens your body, increases your risk of falls, and raises your chance of early death. Bone broth should be an addition to your diet, never the replacement for full protein meals. Most store-bought bone broths are filled with additives, artificial flavors, and very low levels of collagen. Some even contain heavy metals, like lead, that can damage your brain, kidneys, and bones. Seniors are especially vulnerable to toxins. Drinking low-quality broth every day can silently damage your health. The safe way is to prepare homemade bone broth using clean bones from grass-fed animals or organic chicken. This ensures you get real minerals and natural collagen without harmful chemicals. Cooking time matters. If you undercook bone broth, the collagen and minerals do not fully release. If you overcook, the broth becomes too acidic and may release harmful compounds. Seniors with sensitive digestion can suffer from bloating, heartburn, or diarrhea. The best cooking time is usually 12 to 24 hours for beef bones and 6 to 12 hours for chicken bones. This balance gives you maximum nutrients without creating harmful byproducts. Many seniors already struggle with high blood pressure. Bone broth, especially store-bought versions, can be very high in salt. Drinking it daily without checking sodium levels can silently increase your risk of stroke and heart attack. Always check labels if you buy broth, or if homemade, avoid adding too much salt. Remember that you can always season it lightly when drinking. Temperature plays a big role in digestion. Drinking bone broth boiling hot can damage the delicate lining of your mouth and esophagus. Over time, repeated burning can even increase cancer risk. On the other hand, drinking it ice cold can slow down digestion and reduce nutrient absorption. The healthiest way is to drink it warm. Not hot, not cold. Warm broth soothes your stomach and allows the amino acids to absorb effectively. This is the deadliest mistake. Many seniors believe bone broth is a miracle cure that can heal arthritis, fix digestion, or reverse aging all by itself. But no single food works like that. Relying only on bone broth while ignoring fruits, vegetables, proteins, and exercise can actually shorten your life. Bone broth is powerful, but it is only one part of a balanced lifestyle. Combine it with a healthy diet, regular movement, and enough sleep for real anti-aging benefits. Now that you know the mistakes, let us talk about the best way to drink bone broth for maximum health. Drink 1 cup per day along with a meal not on an empty stomach. Choose homemade broth from clean bones, simmered for the right amount of time. Drink it warm for best absorption. Use it as a supplement, not a replacement for real meals. Here's a simple recipe for seniors who want safe and healthy bone broth. Take 2 pounds of organic chicken bones or beef bones. Place them in a pot with 2 liters of water. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to release the minerals. Add chopped vegetables like carrots, celery, and onion. Simmer slowly for 12 to 24 hours. Strain and enjoy 1 warm cup daily. This broth is safe, nutritious, and powerful for senior health. Bone broth can protect your joints, skin, and immune system. But only if you avoid these dangerous mistakes. Now you know the truth about how to drink it safely. Which of these mistakes have you made before? And what will you change today? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to subscribe for more health tips for seniors. And if you are serious about protecting your muscles and slowing aging, I have created a special 30-day senior meal plan packed with recipes to fight sarcopenia and boost energy. The link is below. Stay healthy. And remember, the last mistake you avoid could save your life.